Hello everyone. Today we are planting some peppers. We got some cayenne, sweet banana, and jalapenos. And all we've done is lay each seed out. As you can see here, we got the little seed in the middle, and the seed's in the middle of all of these cells. What we're going to be doing is just patting them in. And once we pat them in, we'll water them down, and we will see how the progress goes. So we'll just pat each individual pepper seed in there. It's kind of time consuming, but it's worth the wait. And after we get each and every one of these pepper seeds buried, all we're going to do to fill the soil in on top of each seed is water them. Personally, I think it helps to lay them all out this way before trying to plant them. It's a little less time consuming than making your hole and then putting each individual seed into the hole, which you can do it that way if you want to. It's not how I prefer to do things though. Looks like I missed one here, whatever. Come back and put one there. But if I do it this way, just put the seed on top. The water will backfill all that soil that I make by pushing the seed down, and it's just much easier and a little less time consuming for me to do it that way. So now we've got every single one of these planted, and we're going to move over to the watering station, water these up, and we'll be good to go. So now we're just going to water these guys in. Let all that water soak in there. Don't want to soak it too much. Just enough for every one of those seeds to get a good watering. And we'll have some good growth coming out here soon. Alright everyone, that's all we have for today. Be sure to subscribe to Native Roots Nursery if you're interested in more content like this. Teach you how to grow plants, teach you how to propagate plants, and teach you how to start your own nursery. So please subscribe and like this video, and we will see you next time.